Hey, do you want to speak English confidently in 3 simple steps, even if you've never spoken to a native before? Look, if you need English to make more money, to make connections with people around the world and build relationships, or to use in your everyday life, then this is for you. If that's not you, then skip this video right now. But if that is you, then pay very close attention because this video has the power to transform your English and your life. I'm Christopher from chrisamericos.com, and I've taught over 20,000 hours of English lessons to over 2 million people. And our entire fluency strategy is built around 3 simple steps. So that means you don't have to comment on random Facebook posts, you don't have to join 1,000 different WhatsApp groups, you don't have to watch 25 YouTube videos every day, and you don't have to talk to yourself in the mirror. These are students who have sent us their feedback. As you can see, we've worked with students from over 150 different countries to reach new levels of fluency, and again, with just 3 simple steps that I will give you in my workshop. This workshop is so powerful that we've helped 40,000 English learners just like you take their English to the next level, apply English to their lives, and get big results. So here's what I want you to do. Register for this fluency workshop now. So click the link under this video. It will take you to this registration page. You can register and get access to participate in this fluency workshop. Look, you are going to participate in the same workshop that our student Kareem joined. We helped Kareem improve his English skills, and he got a job working for Microsoft. He took his English and his career and his life to the next level. It also reminds me of our student Mirlan. He joined this very same workshop that you're about to register for. He put these strategies into practice, and today he speaks English at a higher level and has immigrated to the United States. So again, click the link under this video, go to the registration page and register for this fluency workshop now. And then get a pen and a piece of paper so you can take notes and join the fluency workshop. Because again, it has the power to change your life. Our student Aisha joined this exact same workshop, and within a few months, her confidence and her fluency skyrocketed. Now, Aisha has been awarded her PhD, and she regularly communicates with colleagues and peers in English. So look, it doesn't matter what your reason for learning English is. Maybe you need English for work or to make more money. Maybe you need English for your everyday life, like maybe you have an English-speaking family member, or maybe you live in an English-speaking country. Or maybe you need English because you want to connect with people and build deeper relationships. Whatever it is, you need to click the link under this video and register for this fluency workshop. I'll show you how to go from confused to confident in English so you can speak with anyone from anywhere and be understood. Click the link under this video, register for the fluency workshop, and I will see you there.